Hey guys, so we're removing a TIPM off of a Dodge Avenger. It has issues, hard start, and some other issues, headlight. So we're gonna take these out. These were pretty easy. Actually, these were clips. All I have to do is just take this other positive wire out and see how it looks underneath. And this is the best thing to do to clean it out with. Let me take that positive wire out and see. Alright, so we took the TIPM off. It really doesn't look that bad. What you look for is corrosion. What I'm gonna do is use electric cleaner, clean this all out, and clean all these connectors. But it seems there's like a lot of dirt in there. All this, yeah, and this all gotta be cleaned out. Stay tuned for the update.